So today I have a very special guest in the shop, my friend Will Hodges from Tactile Turn. Will was kind enough to rent a Tesla. Smart.
Sweet.
This is really dangerous, you know.
Have you ever been inside a Tesla before?
I've never seen one close.
You excited? You ever been in a Tesla?
I've been in one, yeah.
Okay.
Never.
So it's really weird.
This is the 70D, and they make up to
75D.
I thought it's a 70.
No, sorry, B7. Maybe it is. I think it's a 75, but no D. Just a single motor. You know, it's not by any means the high-end model.
Yeah.
I was trying. If there was a 100D and it was going to be like somewhat reasonably priced, I was totally going to go for it. But yep, that's pretty good torque.
It's got some good mid-range.
Yeah.
Like right off the line, it's a little weak, and then it picks up fast.
They probably
sure
tune that in.
Exactly. I think that.
Yeah, so it'll, you know, like the D10 ball right there, the ceramic one. It'll probe the handle to get a reference point.
Okay.
Right now it's going to half press the ball in, just halfway, and then it's going to probe it and know the difference between the surface and the half pressed ball. And then it's going to know what it needs to go left, so it's going to press it again a second time.
Oh.
So it's like a 3.5 minute cycle of like probing, pressing, probing,
But
math.
it's perfect.
But it's like, oh my gosh, it's so hands off.
Yeah. Compared to, I'm sure what was the finicky process.
Yeah,
for a
we
very
used to
long
like
time.
put it in a vise, and like some people hammer them in, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
Most people drill through, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, most people drill all the way
Oh,
through.
Wow.
And
Yeah. Use the blade as like a
Yeah.
guide.
yeah, we used to use the arbor press, but now we're getting like a tenth or two of deviation, and it's perfect every time. How's it going, buddy?
Great. How are you?
Excellent. You're in town in Toronto for just fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a 6-month wife, 6-month pregnant wife. Sorry. She wanted to go do something, and she's sleeping this morning, so I came out to the shop and
Yes.
wanted to see it in person.
Good. I'm
Seeing
really.
it in videos is
Yeah.
cool, but
We've been internet friends for many years. We met at Blade Show. No, we've met a couple times.
So
IMTS,
yeah.
like for 4 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
We hung out good at
Blade.
Blade Show last year.
Yeah.
You're going to be at Blade Show next week anyway, so.
You got your Duravertical just before I got my NLX.
Right.
We've been sort of
Yeah.
mooring nerds and machining nerds and
Just entrepreneur nerds
yeah,
together, right?
that's
It's
true,
really good.
that's true. It's always awesome to have people that you can bounce ideas off of.
Yes.
Or ask what their experience is, and like.
Or
I
say
think you were one of the first people that I started asking questions about stuff.
growth
machinery
and
finance.
yeah,
something like
exactly,
that.
right.
You know,
And then you can bounce ideas off each other, like da 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 da. Am I crazy? No, that's totally normal.
yeah. And now that you're getting into pins, totally awesome. Everyone out there, the pin is really cool.
Yes.
It's
Yeah.
if
so
you like pins at all, get one.
yeah, good. And I really like your stance on the market. Like, you don't see me as like competition. Oh my God, he's gonna come and steal my customers.
No. Machine pins didn't exist 7 or 8 years ago.
Like a
pretty much.
custom, like high-end
Yeah.
machine pen. Like
Yeah.
there's all the big companies, Mont Blanc and all that. But
Right.
But as far as like small shops doing a great job.
Right.
Yeah.
And so the more of us that are making these cool, interesting pens
Right,
with
right.
our own take on them, the better. I have no,
Yeah.
please, more people get into the market.
It's like what Jack Roman from Tough Rider said last year. He's like, I just want more kids to play with. I want more kids in the sandbox.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Because
Exactly.
we all bounce ideas off each
Exactly.
other, and yeah.
I was, before Blade, I was really apprehensive yeah, you know, we're all gonna be at each other's teeth, and I'm gonna have to get ready to fight or something. And like, no, everyone's really friendly. We're all
Yeah.
just machine nerds, and like, we're looking to get more machines. That's
That's the goal, right?
all I want is more tools to play with.
Yep.
So pretty
Excellent.
cool.
Excellent.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, absolutely. What do you want to see while you're here?
So Dirt Vertical already saw the
Yeah, we're making
most
knives right
interesting
now.
part. Yeah. I guess I'd like to check out the Nakamura.
Come
a little
on.
more. I've seen these in video a lot, but not a whole lot of actual.
It's not on yet. So as I was texting you last night, we're breaking drill bits left and right. And I mean, you make a similar thing. You actually drill the tube, right?
So we actually, it depends on what
You
part
do
we're doing.
both, right?
For titanium and stainless, the center sections of most of our pens, well, actually the sliders and gliders, we start with the tube. Everything else we drill out. So yeah, we do a lot of high pressure coolant through drills. Broken a lot of them too.
Yeah.
You know?
Like right now, we're doing the body from tubing.
Yeah.
Just because it's easy. Like
Yeah, why not?
I just want to get moving.
Yeah.
But I want to be able to drill the 3-inch hole and not
Yeah.
destroy drill bits.
Yeah. So work holding is, you know, serious. You've already indicated it in it right, and you know you're pretty much on plane there.
Well, I can put a nub in there, indicated for 0.
Yeah.
But at a 3-inch extension,
Yeah.
is it tilted? I don't know yet. So
You
that's
know-
one variable.
So do you cut any taper when you're doing longer parts?
What do you mean?
So if you were to just skim the outside of a part,
Right. No, there's no taper.
There's no taper. Then I don't think you need to worry about
Okay.
any, you know, being tilted at all.
Yeah. Okay.
If one tool station is proper, then they're pretty much all.
Yeah.
gonna
Okay.
be. So I think the big problem is probably just we've actually gone to ER25 and ER32 for a lot of stuff. I know when you want to gang stuff up, it's hard to do that.
Right. To get higher
Um,
clamping force.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. These are ER20.
I think with ER20 you're probably okay. Just use a hammer and
Well, like the wrench that it comes with
yeah, it's kind of garbage.
slips and
Yeah.
like it really hurts.
I know.
Like,
Yeah.
like-
No, I mean, so you basically just gotta get in there.
And I've got two together, so it's kind of hard to.
Exactly.
But you really
Yeah.
got to wail on it, huh?
You really just use one hand to hold it in and
Yeah.
hammer
Okay.
it down.
I will try
I
that.
think that's probably
So you think that the drill bit is actually
spinning
moving
inside.
because
yeah.
I was listening to. I put a brand new $70 through coolant drill bit in there yesterday. I was listening to it. I was watching the load meter,
Yeah.
and it goes bzz, and then just chick 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 bzz, and the load went up and up and up to like 30% spindle load, and I'm like, that's a lot of power
Yeah.
to drill a 1/4-inch hole.
And you've also looked at the charts. I think for a 1/4-inch, 300 psi is plenty. But the smaller the drill bit, the more pressure you need.
Right.
And I don't know where that is on that chart. And I'm sure it all depends on who's the drill manufacturer.
OSG.
Yeah, they make awesome stuff. So I would bet more than anything that it's just you need to really wail on that because
Okay.
we've had, like I said, we use a 5-pound sledge. Torque specs say that ER stuff. I'm assuming you're like a 7 or 8 millimeter shank,
Yeah.
and you're using the properly sized. It's not clamping down at all. Yeah. If you're using everything right, then it's just pressured. You guys evaporate a lot of water?
Yeah. Yeah, we do.
Here, I'll take that.
So now that you have your processes dialed in for drilling, do you still break a lot, or it's like dialed?
Rarely. I mean, no, we still break stuff.
Yeah.
Every once in a while, for some reason, something gets out of whack.
Yeah. Do you have checks to like know if there's a broken drill, or do you just make
No.
500 bad parts?
So most of the time, although we do run a fair amount of lights out, it just happens so rarely that they break that
Yeah.
So we just did a run of 1,000 sliders and gliders, and so the fronts there's a 2.5, a little over 2-inch drill. I guess it's 9/32. I think. Anyway, right after that, there's an 1/8 inch drill that does the next step,
Right.
or sorry, 3/16 inch drill, and of those 1,000 parts that we made, I think there were 50 that one of those drills broke.
Yeah.
So, you know, pretty much all that was done over the weekend. I'm okay with losing some parts every
Exactly.
once. I mean, you
Yeah,
know,
no, I'm
especially
the
since
same.
we don't run that much. I mean, we do sell a lot of titanium pins, but it's okay to have machines running and
Yeah, I
you know,
agree.
but yeah, we don't have any. There's no check in
Right,
here.
like I've got the probe on here,
So do you?
and I've been using it a
Can
lot.
your probe come down?
Not to touch a tool, but to touch the workpiece. Like I've got my
yeah?
turret probe. So I drill a hole and I put the probe in there and I'll be like, yep, there's a hole there.
Okay.
You can go. Because I crunched a boring bar like 2 days ago. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to Will for coming out all the way out here to visit us. We've been good friends for several years now. I have many of his pens, and his pens have been in my pocket for the past 2 or 3 years, pretty much exclusively. So, big fan of Tactile Turn, and yeah, thanks for watching Saga Saturday. Blade Show's coming up. We're gonna film a Saga Saturday at Blade Show. It's gonna be awesome. Later, guys. Bye.